So in this video, I'm going to talk about detail groups, which are a way to group all the detail elements that, so like if I turn the section, the model off on my typical wall section here, you can see there's a bunch of stuff I've added to make it look like how it would actually be constructed. And I want to take that and make it a group first off, so I can move it around without selecting all the stuff individually. And then secondly, I can take that group and copy and paste it like into these call outs. And that I won't have to constantly do those detail elements over again. Because once I fix one in the detail group, it'll fix it everywhere I've pasted it into. So let's go back in and I'm going to keep this do not display model for now. I'm going to show how to make a detail group. So the first thing I want to do is just highlight the parts that I want to be in. There's what's called a filter tool. So I want to keep the detail lines. I don't want to keep the levels. I want to keep the lines. I don't want to keep the text notes, and I don't want to keep the views. So I hit OK. So that just is a fast way to just select what I'm looking for. Now what I want to do is go to annotate and then click on detail group and create a group. And we're going to call this tip, and I'll probably do all caps here. Tip, wall, section, detail, group. I'm going to hit OK. So now you see what happens is when I click on that, I can edit that group. And it's just like editing a roof outline or whatever, finish or cancel. But I can grab that group and move it wherever I want, and it's all going to take it together. Now, the beauty part of this is I can copy and paste it into the call out detail that I did, and it'll all come in there. So I'm going to go back here and turn my model back on. So this is a detail that we're calling out of that. So when I look at that detail here, let's click this and open it up. See, so those detail elements, since they're view specific, they don't come in here. So I'm just going to get this here. Now, the beautiful part is I can take that detail group I just made. So if I highlight that, I can copy that. And then I can come in here and I can paste it. And what I want to do is paste align to current view, and voila, it comes in exactly where it needs to be. And so I don't have to copy that all over when I do a detail. Now I want to show you the best trick of all. Since that detail group, it's kind of like an XREF or a block in AutoCAD, where once you change one, it changes all of them. So I want to say, let's say I want to do an X on my rim board here, so it looks more like a piece of wood than just this blank rectangle. I'm going to click on that detail group. I'm going to go to edit group. I'm going to go in and put a detail line in, and I'll just do a thin line this time. And I'm going to go ahead and draw in my X there. And I'm going to finish that group. So now you see it shows up here, but since we edited that group and it was in the call out, it now also shows out in the call out. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you.